Module 3, Ways to Get Better Results. Intention to Heal. Here I'm going to offer a few tips based on what has worked for me and for my clients. How you approach your healing journey or process is completely up to you. You know yourself best, and you know what to do in order to keep going. First of all, accept where you are now in order to help clear up resistance to your issues. If you feel like you're really stuck, please listen or go to the Get Unstuck recording, and there's a link to it in the product. It's a script for tapping on accepting your present state, which is one of the keys to actually letting it go and moving out of it. Second, get clear or at least set an intention or consider where you want to go. It's okay if you aren't that clear at the moment, or if finding clarity is exactly the thing you need to work on. In that case, the intention would be to simply start to have more clarity. Setting an intention on what you wish to achieve with your tapping work is powerful and useful. It will help you to be able to know how far you've come and what still needs to shift. You can even break it down into steps. What would 30% healing on an issue look like? 75%? How would your life be or feel different? Starting to think about this will get the wheels in motion for your awareness and healing to happen. Third, set an intention to give your body and mind time and space to go through whatever needs to happen. Being gentle and forgiving to yourself, even if this is the first time you think about yourself in those terms, it's a start. Creating the space and honoring yourself enough to do self-care is so important to everyone.